besties? Planning your walk down the aisle and still searching for the perfect rings? I've got you covered with Novita Diamonds. Napakadaming selection. If you would just go to their online site in novitadiamonds.co.nz, and then you can customize. Actually, kasi ako, yung size ko R half. So, hindi siya yung usual size. So, yeah. Parang 4 weeks lang ang total na bago siya natapos yung aking ring. So yeah, they have also an office for if you want to see in person. So yeah, and then you'll meet Lori, the beautiful and very kind Lori R. Yan. So ako, dahil nandito ako sa Queenstown, virtual ang ginawa kong booking. Lori R is available in Zoom. So you just book your appointment via virtual. And in-store, pwede rin naman. So yun, si Lori, napaka-helpful niya. Papakita niya lahat ng types of ring band and the diamond na gusto mo. Lahat ng size, 1 carat, 2, 3, 4, marami sila. So let's unbox my ring. So this itong order ko na to, it comes with, so lahat ng diamond nila, merong IGI certificate. And then your receipt. And then you have resize, free resize, one time na resizing ng ring. Mapamayat ka or may free ka na isa. And then may binigay din na gel and brush to clean your diamond ring. Diba? Ang bait ni Novita. And napaka-reasonable ng price. Super. So I ordered a 3 carat radiant diamond D. Ang color grade is D and clarity grade is BBS2. Then yung polish niya, excellent. Fluorescence, none. So yan, ito na siya. Will you marry me? Ito pala, darating siya sa isang box and then, wag ka, may pailaw si Novita. Hindi niyo makita maayos, di ba? So yeah, comes with this jewelry box. Oh my God, I'm in love. Yan siya. Diba? Sa sizing, perfect. Perfect. Ilabas ang karwahe. Mamamalengke ako. Sino ka? So yeah, thank you Lori R. Ang aking napakabait na SA sa Novita Diamonds. Bili na kayo guys. Super sulit. Ganda. Diba? And this is 18 karat gold ha. 18 karat white gold, may rose gold, and may platinum din yung para sa band. Daming designs. You just choose the online. Mga tapos mag-virtual assist kayo kay Lori R. Super. Thank you.